In this video, I will show you how you can use Microsoft Word on any iPad. Now to do that, just open the App Store, then in the search bar, just search this. And from here, you can install Microsoft Word on your iPad. Once the app is downloaded, then just tap on Open, and from here, you can subscribe to Microsoft 365 and you can sign into your Microsoft account to use Microsoft Word. As you can see, you have a monthly and yearly subscription. Now, after you subscribe to Microsoft Word, you can tap on Start and you can sign into your Microsoft account. But also there is a way to use Microsoft Word for free. Now for that method, just go to your home screen and open the Safari web browser. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just open this website. And after you do that, you will open the web version of Microsoft Word on your iPad. Now to add the web version of the Microsoft Word to your home screen, just tap on the Share button at the upper right corner on the screen, then tap on View More from this menu. Now just scroll down and select Add to Home Screen, and from here you can give a name to this web shortcut which we have created. I will leave it as Microsoft Word, then just tap on Add, and as you can see we have successfully created a web shortcut of Microsoft Word on our iPad. Just tap on the shortcut, and from here you can tap on Sign In and you can sign into your Outlook account and you can use Microsoft Word for free. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.